Hey there, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to view your account history on Instagram using your Android phone. This feature lets you see all the changes you've made to your account, like your email, bio, and username updates. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Your Activity. Now, scroll down until you see the option called Account History, and tap on it. Here, you'll find a timeline of all the changes made to your account, including bio edits, password changes, phone number updates, and more. Take your time to review these changes. You can also use this section to keep track of important updates you've made over time. That's it. Now you know how to check your Instagram account history on Android. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials.